It's honest review of the Krispy Kreme Pokemon collaboration donuts. So I got 2 of these kasi sobrang sulit niya sa Grab. $4.50 each per set, pero per donut is 75 pesos. Sa Grab, 50% na lang. Abangan nyo kasi every 11 AM. So yeah, the box is really festive. Ang cute, diba? Parang fiesta or celebration ng Pokemon. Then, each set, you will get a TCG Fun Pack. Take note, these are only 3 additional packs. So, hindi ganun kataas ang chances of rare. So, tara, let's review the flavors. Okay, now let's review each flavor if it is worth the price or pang-aesthetic lang. So, ayan. So, kasi nakakahinayang siya tikman kasi parang sobrang ang cute na mga designs niya. Pero actually, candy toppers lang lahat yan. So, Squirtle is the Blueberry Blast. Meowth is the Choco Toffee Crunch. Bulbasaur is the Apple Cinnamon. Charmander is the Choco Orange Flame. Pikachu is the Electric Lemon. And Jigglypuff is the Cotton Candy Berry Swirl. Ayan, minamemorize ko pa para sa inyo. So tara, tikman natin isa-isa and papakita ko sa inyo yung inside. So tara, let's go. Top ng Pikachu Electric Lemon. As you can see, may custard siya sa loob. Since as a lemon fan. Oh, ayan nga, yung custard niya. Sarap. So kung mahilig kayo sa lemon pie feeling, ganun yung lasa niya. Actually, I'm happy na hindi siya banana. Ang sarap. Kasi yung ibabaw niya white chocolate. So may sprinkles. So, top 1 for me, This is the Cotton Candy Berry Swirl. And this is a ring donut. So ayan may pipe cream pa siya sa loob. First time ko makita yung Krispy Kreme na may ganitong klaseng donut. Sulit. Mga ring donuts nila, walang pipe feeling. So I'm surprised na may ganito. Yung cream niya sa loob, medyo sour and creamy. Tapos medyo may pagka-sweet. Tapos meron siyang candy sand or candy sugar. Okay siya for all the girlies out there. Fairy starter natin, which is Charmander. Choco Fire Orange. Tas din siya, pero hindi ganun ka-visible yung icing. So tignan natin kung meron sa loob. Meron. Custard din. White chocolate sa ibabaw. Tapos, may pagka-citrusy rin yung custard niya. Sarap. So, nagka-cut down siya ng sweetness. Parang same level siya ni Pikachu, pero mas maasim si Pikachu. Sunod na i-try natin, 001 or si Bulbasaur. Apple cinnamon siya, so I'm really excited to try it. Tira lang yung may apple cinnamon na flavor sa donut. So, usually, American donut shops yung gumagawa niyan. And, ayan ang sarap. So, meron siyang parang apple pie feeling na may cinnamon. Ang sarap. True enough, para talaga siyang apple pie. May mga apple pie lovers out there, try nito. May chocolate, yung ibabaw, tapos may candy topper din. And now, Choco Toffee Crunch ni Mew. Yan, ang cute-cute niya, At din siya, ayan So, sobrang daming pinipe na choco feeling sa loob. Wow. I think magugustuhan to ng mga choco lovers out there. Ayan Okay. Ang sarap. Pero for me, sobrang rich nitong cream sa ibabaw. Masyado na overdo yung lasa ng choco whipped cream dun sa chocolate na glaze and yung chocolate na filling. So, parang siyang triple chocolate. Pero yung chocolate lover ka, okay siya. Pero parang nakaumay siya ng konti. At not the least, si Blueberry Blast Squirtle. Ayan, ang cute niya. Ano siya? Shell donut. Tapos meron siyang blueberry dust. Ang cute ng candy topper. Parang naka-usli lang. So, yun. So, tingnan natin yung laman. Oh, there's a blueberry cream feeling. Ang bango. Ang strong na amoy ng blueberry. Ay, sarap din. Actually, blueberries in donut, okay rin siya. Hindi nakakaumay. May konting sourness, pero dominant yung tamis. Pero ito yung hindi nakakaumay. So, nyo, ganyan sila karami maglagay ng cream. Alright, now let's rate all these flavors. So, top 1 for me is the Electric Lemon Pikachu. So, if you have to choose only one, get this Ang sarap ng lemon cream. Top 2 is the Bulbasaur Apple Cinnamon. Sobrang unique na apple pie filling and cinnamon combination. Top 3 is the Blueberry Swirl. Guys, ang comforting ng blueberry cream. Ako, sobrang na-enjoy ko siya. Top 4 is the Charmander Orange Swirl, Orange Flame. Kasi nahabol niya yung pagka-citrus ni Pikachu. Top 5 is Jigglypuff Cottonberry Swirl. Kasi sobrang sarap ng sourness and sweetness combo. Top 6 or the least that I like is Meowth. I wish hindi ganun ka-umay yung choco whipped cream kasi sobrang rich na niya. So yun, make sure to get it in Grab, Foodpanda, and all Krispy Kreme outlets in the Philippines. So yeah!